I spent 16 years picking stories and specs. I was editor-at-large at a top business newspaper. Later, I trained large language models to speak like a human. These are really jobs about taste. One question kept following me. How do you connect human taste with AI intuitively? The answer turned out to be the tab. So I built Taste. It runs in the browser, and it works right alongside the one you already use. Here is how it works. On every page, an always-on notebook with LLMs. No uploads, no paste. It already sees what you are reading and watching. Ask across a whole course, and the answer comes back with timestamps you can jump to. Everything you keep lands in one memory, not a folder. What you clicked and how you reacted, indexed together in one space. Ask what you doubted 3 months ago. It knows, and it plugs out over MCP. So Claude, Notion, any agent can read your taste. Soon, taste turns into action. It arrives as cards. That's me, or not me. And it compounds. Taste keeps accumulating. More of the task lands on it. More time comes back to you. Well, thanks for hearing me out. That's Taste. Your context stops AI slop.